Evergreen. Candid. Perfect Maths. Book 5.
Chapter 2 Large Numbers.
Hello friends, how are you? Can you see me? Of course, I am a large animal. But I was not so large when I was born. I grew up with my age and now I look like this. So you can say, with increase in numbers, my size has also increased. Well,
948 crore 74 lakh 36,247. Let's see International Place Value Chart and compare it with Indian Place Value Chart. We can see that
Chapter 3 Operations on Large Numbers. Hello kids. See, I have a lot of work to do. Letters are from different places because people want me to solve. Plus 8, 22. Plus 1, 23.